Fenghe has a history of providing only the very best circular saw blade sharpening machines, and the GS850 CNC saw blade sharpening machine gives you both crosstooth and high-low chamfering with breaker slit grinding in a single cycle on a single machine. The GS850 CNC features 2 diamond wheels on a multi-axis grinding head, so you can perform chamfering and offset cuts as well as break slit grinding in a single sharpening cycle. The Omron touchscreen display shows the user-friendly interface designed by Fenghe to provide simple machining operation that reduces training times and allows for quick job setup. The coolant pump motor on the GS850 CNC can be lifted from the machine to facilitate easy cleaning, saving you time. The oil mist remover on the top of the GS850 CNC effectively eliminates oil vapor from the operating environment. And the oil-water separator continuously provides clean oil and water for circulation back into the machine. Fenghe's GS550 machine offers all of the capabilities of the GS850 machine with the exception of the grinding head turning capability, and provides a fully automatic blade sharpening solution for a wide variety of production needs. Fenghe also offers a variety of other circular blade sharpening machines for a wide range of production demands. The GS series from Fenghe provides you with a cost-effective, fully automatic solution for your saw blade sharpening operations, and delivers only the very best in durability and flexibility that you need to stay competitive in the marketplace.